Okay, back it up. What I'll be using today, as you know, it's all going to be Main Choice, the Main Choice. So I'm going to use the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo. It smells insane. Woo! Woo! Smells so good. So it's the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Shampoo. Helps support natural growth and retention, ultra moisturizing, cleanses without stripping, restores locks, smooths frizz, and adds softness. I also have the Rinse Out or Leave In Conditioner, also Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture. And then we have next the sealing cream. And I also got, and this actually came open. It was just open a little bit, but it is the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask infused with biotin and moringa seed oil. You're supposed to use this after shampooing. It's saying use the mask after you shampoo. I also wanted to, I guess I'll be using, okay, back it up. So my plan of action today is going to be, we're gonna start off with the shampoo. I'm gonna give this a run in the shower. Y'all ain't gonna see that probably ever for me. I'm gonna use the shampoo first, then I'm going to use the mask. I'm gonna probably overnight with the mask, and then I'm going to use, because this is the rinse out or leave in conditioner, after I rinse out the mask, I'm going to use this as my leave-in conditioner. And then we're going to style with the sealing cream to see if this does something. And then finally, we're going to hit my scalp, because my scalp been real dry. It reduces shedding and it revitalizes and rejuvenates the scalp. And child, my scalp needs to be rejuvenated. It has been dry for a while. So one thing that I'm about to do, just so that we're gonna double check this, because I have to wear, honestly guys, this sealing cream, I bet it's great. I bet it's, well, let me not say I bet. It may be great, it may be wonderful, but dog, it is just a cream. My hair, it ain't gonna act right. I don't trust it. Okay, I don't trust my hair. It's not that I don't trust the product. I don't trust my hair to act right. So I'm going to do a little test to see if I can use this Main Choice sealing cream with my Eco Styler gel. I've got two different Eco Styler gels here. I have the argan oil gel and I have the olive oil gel. So I have a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm just gonna take a dab of the argan oil gel and I'm gonna swirl it together. So if it turns white, that's not my issue. Like, my issue is not it being white. My issue is clumpiness. And this is very smooth. It seems to me that Main Choice and Eco Styler, at least the argan oil one, are meant to be. Just a test run to do before you even put it in your hair, dog, because that don't be so annoying, bro. Like, when you're freaking, you did all this to your hair and then you put your hair styling products together with your gel, and then all of a sudden your hair is just effed up. I'll be back after I shampoo my hair. So my hair is fully washed. I'm about to use the Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask infused with biotin and moringa seed oil. The shampoo was very good. I really liked the fact that the shampoo was so soapy. I don't know. It basically lathered up really quick, and I really like that because I ain't got time. Wash day already takes long enough. So who wants to be in there waiting on the joint to lather? I really didn't even use that much of it, which I was really surprised by. And for the mask, I'm really just gonna put on as much that feels good, that feels right to me. That's just how I kind of work with this type of stuff. So just putting on the mask, detangling section by section, because I washed my hair in 4 sections, and then we're gonna put it in some twists. you've seen any of my other videos, you know that my hair is thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. I give the girl what she wants, give her what she needs. And so because I cannot find my shower cap type plastic caps, I'm going to have to use a plastic bag. So I went ahead and I rinsed out all of the mask. I wore the mask for, it is now 4:30, so I've had the mask in since like 11:30 this morning. So yeah, hair has been sitting in that mask with a plastic bag over it for that long. I went ahead, I just rinsed it with cool water. So I just want to show you my hair with no product on it. Uh-oh. And as you see, water still in here. It's my first time rinsing while my plaits are still, or twists are still in, so that was an interesting experience. Oh, just to show you how much shampoo I used earlier, I used about this much. I don't know if that's a lot, but to me it's not. Now I'm gonna use the Tropical Moringa Rinse Out or Leave In Conditioner, and we're going to be leaving it in because we use the mask as our conditioner today. Just says put it in wet hair. So my hair's wet. You saw how much that was, a glob of that, and I'm just gonna work it in as my leave-in. And I mean, this is, that amount was pretty good because it actually is like all over. And like I said before, I already tested to be sure that this was a good leave-in with my gel. So this is it with just the leave-in in. And what I'm actually gonna do, since I put that leave-in in, I'm just gonna go on to the next step as well. I think I forgot about the sealing cream, y'all. Whoopsies! So I'm gonna use the sealing cream as well. I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna use them both. I mean, we're gonna use the leave-in. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of this sealing cream since it's supposed to seal. I just used about the same glob amount. And I'm just gonna put it in as well. I mean, double the moisturization. So I ain't got no problem with that. I mean, I'm hoping this means my hair gonna be hella moisturized and super juicy. Put the growth oil on. The growth oil is for your scalp, but I'm also just gonna let it, you know, get all up and through, baby, and in my hair. And as I said before, my scalp has been hella dry, so just gonna use this as an extra little add-on here. Now I'm basically just gonna do my full regular wash and go routine. I have a whole video on that. I'm not gonna record that and show you guys, but like I said before, I am gonna use the Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna try the argan oil this time instead of going with my Old Faithful olive oil. And I'll be back with the results and I'll let you guys know how I feel about this whole product. Okay, so this is the final look with my hair. Very moisturized. I got a couple frizzies because I went a little crazy with my, not detangling, but untwisting, which is normal for me. That's why I just be like, whatever. My final thoughts on the Main Choice products that I had, the Tropical Moringa line. So good, so good, so good, so good, so good. I love it so much. It smells amazing. Like, the smell is the first thing that got me. The fact that conditioner is a leave-in, rinse out, pre-poo, detangle, all in one. Like, y'all sold me on that. Now, I am gonna say, for the Main Choice, the reason why I had never purchased any of their items before is because the Main Choice is a little, you know, it's a little pricey. But the great thing is that they had that sale where they had 60% off. Or was it 60% off? What they did was, having that type of sale, it allowed for people like me who normally wouldn't have bought the products because they're so expensive. Like, you really can't take a chance, to me, if you're on a budget. you really can't take a chance all the time when it comes to hair products. Like, you kind of just want to go good old faithful and get out the way. And so I like that they had that sale open to everybody for that short amount of time. And you really had to catch that thing. They had this girl, the earring dealer, what is her name? Her earring line is the New Bamboo, but she had posted about it. I follow her on Twitter, and so I hopped on there and was like, hey, let me get in here. And so basically that's how I found out about the sale. But you really have to, I follow them now on Instagram to make sure that I catch any other sales. And I actually did catch another sale after that. They had a sale that was like similar to that one where it's 50-60% off, and I got the whole line of the ancient Egyptian products. So very excited to try these. And so yeah, so I will have to say I do bang with the main choice. I was really concerned, didn't really, just kind of like, I don't know about spending that much money. But that's also how they get you. That's how they get you, okay? They get you out here, they get you in with the sale, and then they make everything smell good, and they make everything work nice, and have products that you're not used to trying with the pre-poo, and you can leave it in or wash it out. They get you. And then when you run out, ain't no more sales, you gotta pay full price, so they making their money back. It's a smart marketing plan. Go the main choice. I just wish. Okay, y'all make sure, well, I guess this is something I need to make sure that I run out when it's close to payday. Anywho, that's it for this review, guys. I love my hair. It looks pretty darn good to me. I hope you guys liked it. Leave me some comments, comment on this video. Comment. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram, KeriKontours, at KeriKontours on Instagram. Only use my Instagram right now, not use my Twitter. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Peace.